Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc here. All right, I've installed this new LED light on this side of my trailer, my cargo trailer here. And now I have to install this light here. Okay, so it's working as it should. And what I did was, as you can go back and watch the other video. In addition to installing this LED light here, I connected this lamp, this trailer light lamp, or the trailer license tag lamp, to the LED light. And as you can see here, the trailer tag light is on. So that's working. Now I have to go to the DMV and get me a new tag for this trailer. This is an old tag that I put there just for measuring the distance for me to mount this light. But so far so good. All right, so on to the next side and making progress. Show you something else that I did. I mounted this tire on as well, spare tire on here. The instructions was for the mounting of the tire on to the side rail, but I didn't want to do that. I wanted to mount it up here. All right, Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc, doing what I do. Till the next video. Peace out.